Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to click on subscribe button to support us. And click on bell icon over here. And if you like this video, then click on thumbs up over here. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how you can keep your computer healthy. There comes a time in a very person's life wherever, despite what proportion you fight it, time takes its toll. We have a tendency to begin to prevent it in how we perform our daily activities. However, so as to increase our young glow and energy levels, it's necessary to eat right, exercise, and keep a positive toward our lives. Now you want to know, what has any of that have to be compelled with health of a computer? Well, in a very approach, we're all a bit like a computer machine. If you neglect the needed care of yourself, you shortly can stop to perform properly, and also the several tasks which were simple to try and currently take double as long to accomplish and infrequently require you to rest or reboot after a malfunction. I can't tell you what foods to eat or what exercises to perform as a result of I'm not a dietitian. With my experiences within the laptop and computer field, I will share with you some tips for a way to keep that CPU box of electronic equipment that sits inside that box to working at most performance as long as the time you haven't expected. Some necessary tips which you have to take. First, make certain that your PC is found in a very well vented space from all air vents out and clear to stop heating and premature failure to any internal parts. Second, clean out the dirt build in a minimum of each 6 months from the within of the PC case as well as case vents. Power provides vents and everyone visible electronic equipment with a couple of cans of compressed air which will be purchased from any major store who contain computer parts. This will stop the possibilities of warming and electronic equipment problems. Before cleanup, simply make sure to disconnect the PC from the wall outlet and never physically contact the electronic equipment within the PC case to stop any harm. Third, be ready for an unexpected failure by continuing creating backups of any necessary information that you just don't and might not afford to lose. The fourth point is it important to keep your data safe and secure. I keep updated backups of my data and even store the disks at a remote location by keeping away from my daily based used computers for just in case a disaster were to occur and my main computers were destroyed, leading to the necessity for those lost files. Fifth, buy and install an antivirus program that may be frequently updated with the most recent virus definitions and ran throughout boot up to assist defend your PC from being the victim of an unwanted infection. Please check the description to download the best antivirus for complete protection. Sixth, always remember, after every few months, you should have to run your computer's scan disk program followed by the defragmenter program to maximize the ability of your disk drive. Here is some instruction to know for to run scan disk. First, press and hold Window key on your keyboard and as on same time press E. Now, click on the hard drive that you want to check and do a right click on it. Click Properties. Select Tool tab. Under Error Check, click on Check Now. Now, select Scan for an attempt recovery of bad sectors which will automatically fix file system errors. Select Yes to schedule the restart. And then restart your computer to run the scan. In any case, if you're not sure of a way to use these utilities, and being that the steps to execute these programs vary from one package to the opposite. Seventh, run your computer's disk cleanup utility after every week by typing disk cleanup in Start option or type clean mgr in Run option. Here is some instruction to run clean mgr. First, press and hold the Windows with R key on your keyboard to open Run, or either type Run in Windows search. In Run, type clean mgr. Press Yes and clean C drive. Please watch carefully to do with given instructions on your screen. Now the eighth point which you have to keep in mind, as it is important for desktop or laptop Never smoke close to a PC, as a result of the cooling fans will pull the smoke into the case and can harm the PC from inside. 9th. Place the PC case in a section wherever it'll not be accidentally kicked or bumped. 10th. Invest in a top-quality voltage controller to produce your PC and monitor against voltage ups and down, which completely shorten the lifetime of your system. 11th. Create a restore point in your computer, for just in case you delete any important application from your computer. Here is some instruction to create restore point. First, press and hold the window key on your keyboard plus R to open run. Now, type sysdm.cpl. Press OK. Click on System Protection. Select your system drive in which you have Windows 7 or 10. It has to be C drive. Click on Configure. Select Restore System Settings and Previous Version of Files. Adjust the max usage of your C drive as per your requirement. Set up to 50% of your C drive. Click Apply and OK. Now click on Create and type the name of your restore point. Click Create and wait for 2 minutes. Click OK and it's done. Now the 12th point is, never shut down your computer from the power button, because that will not save the task which you was performing in any application. This is for today. I am Lisa. Thank you for watching.